Hello, and welcome to day 3, Wednesday, December 16th. It is a Wednesday, so it's an async day. Let's see what we have to do for today. First, you'll watch this video, then you'll click async. There are two activities in async. First activity is POV and claim. You are going to type your POV and claim into the same document I showed you yesterday, and you will submit it to me, okay, so I can see, and it's all in one place. And you can also, if you want, you can put the facts that you have chosen to use in your um, body paragraph for your evidence. Okay. The second activity is MEL. You have two MEL activities. Friends, please do the MEL activities. You have one, both in Unit 4, match tone to audience and purpose, and writing a workplace incident report. That's it for async. There are a few activities for today. So remember, we're going to meet with Ernest individually from 7 to 8:30 about Spark. All right. And the schedule is down here. Now remember, if you want help with on your essay, I'll be available from 6 to 7, but you have to let me know in advance, and I will log into Zoom to help you. With the meeting with Ernest, it's the same Zoom session that we use every night. Student government will meet at 12 and at 5. Here are the codes for my student government leaders. And here is the password SG leaders. SG and the L are all capital. All right. Also at 10 o'clock, there will be a session on immigration, know your rights. Here's the code. Here's the code, and there's no password. And that's it for today. Good luck.